This motorbike has a 150cc engine. The name is GPX Drone 2022. Welcome to Milgarage channel. GPX Drone 2022 is a motorcycle manufacturer from Thailand that is ready to challenge the nmax. Recently launched the GPX Drone 2022 big scooter. If you look at the specifications, this scooter seems to be competing hard with the Yamaha nmax 155 and Honda PCX 160. Reporting from the mometer.it website, this vehicle has a 150cc engine, GPX, which is a motorcycle manufacturer from Thailand, recently launched the big scooter GPX Drone 2022. If you look at the specifications, this scooter seems to be competing with the Yamaha nmax 155 and Honda PCX 160. Compared to its predecessor version, this motorbike comes with a more powerful engine, namely SOHC 1-cylinder, 149.6 cubic centimeter, with 4 valves. Please note that the 4-valve configuration is the same as in the PCX and nmax engines. The 2022 GPX Drone 4-valve engine is said to be better in terms of power, torque or better acceleration. Compared to the 2-valve engine version, the 4-valve engine has a 28% better startup rotation, besides that it can save fuel consumption of up to 16%. The GPX Drone engine is recommended to be filled with fuel with a research octane number 91 and above. Regarding the tank capacity, it can accommodate up to 7.5 liters. Not only the engine is updated, the exterior sector also gets an update. It looks fresher with 5 new color choices, and the lighting system is powered by full LED lights with 10 dots. The design of the taillights of this motorbike also looks sporty with the form of aggressive brake lights and hazard lights. In terms of features, the 2022 GPX Drone is equipped with a digital instrument panel, keyless keys, USB charging, and rear suspension that can be adjusted to preload in 3 levels. This motorbike also gets 260mm front disc brakes and 220mm rear disc brakes, equipped with the combined brake system. In terms of dimensions, the GPX Drone has a width of 760mm, a length of 2000mm, and a height of 1115mm. While the wheelbase is 1350mm, the height from the seat to the ground is 780mm, and the ground clearance is 107mm. This scooter has the narrowest swivel angle of 42 degrees and has an empty weight of 140 kilograms. Continue to the legs, using 14-inch aluminum rims, wrapped in tire profiles of 100 by 90 by 14 at the front and 110 by 80 by 14 at the rear. The front tire pressure is 25 psi and the rear is 29 psi. As for the suspension, the front uses telescopic and the rear uses a double suspension that can be adjusted to 3 levels of preload. For the braking system, the front uses 260mm disc brakes and the rear uses 220mm disc brakes. The braking system on this motorbike already uses CBS technology, aka the combined brake system, like the Honda.